Birmingham.
Good Friday evening, everyone, and the weekend is off to a bit of a wet start. Now it looks like everything's beginning to calm down. A lot of you have been wondering how much rain did we all get? Well, let's take a look at that first. And Alex O'Brien did get us started throughout this morning, so we went ahead and added up the rainfall totals from this afternoon and evening, and we adjusted it just a little bit. The winner is Spur at 2.29 inches there. Jayton's not too far behind at 2.23. Lubbock did really well. At the studio, we had 1.55 inches, and Silverton just under that 2-inch mark. Now everything looks to be a lot more quieter. We still have those clouds in the sky there, but good news is it's beginning to break up just a little bit. We can kind of see it from the Tuscan Tower here, and you can see they're moving quite fast because of these winds that we're seeing. Now they have backed off quite a bit, but they're still a bit breezy. We see about 14 in Lubbock, 18 up in Silverton, and 20 down in Plainview. Still seeing this pattern coming in from the north behind that front that we saw. Now we did have a chance for some rain for tomorrow. Looks like it'll be more out towards the eastern parts of our region here. It did adjust just a little bit before we went on the air here. We do still see about 200s out there in Snyder. Maybe even Childress could see possibly a few drizzles as well. Most of that rain will stay out more towards the east. Now again, Texas Tech playing against Oklahoma State tomorrow in Stillwater. Now, Stillwater did have the same effects that we had here in the South Plains. We had that front and a lot of rainfall. Good news is that looks like the rain will be pretty much done by the time you start tailgating. Temperatures will start off in the low 70s, but around kickoff, about 71 degrees. As the sun goes down, again, things will get a little bit cooler. We'll see temperatures about 67 by halftime and 64 by the time the game gets over. Now, if you're staying in town for the fair, tomorrow's looking really, really good. We see temperatures in the 70s, but keep in mind it might be just a bit breezy. Winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and again, the rain chances staying out more towards the eastern parts of our region. It'll probably avoid Lubbock altogether. You can go out and enjoy your family time. And again, tomorrow is the autumn equinox. Again, starts tomorrow at 8:54 p.m. on September 22nd. And of course, here's how it works. So you have your equator right here. The sun is directly over the equator, and of course the earth is divided into a northern and a southern hemisphere. So it looks like the sun is kind of roughly giving the same amount of sunshine for the north and southern hemisphere. Cool fact though, while we're celebrating our fall equinox, the southern hemisphere is celebrating their spring equinox. So while we're hoping for some cooler weather, they're hoping for some much warmer weather. Speaking of weather, it's going to be pretty cold tonight. 55 degrees, will keep mostly cloudy, and even that isolated rain chance. So bundle up if you're going to be heading out the door tonight. Here's your 7-day forecast. We'll see about 74 degrees for tomorrow. Again, lingering showers, so we'll keep that 10% chance in the forecast. We do see the possibility of some few isolated showers by your Sunday at a temperature of 77 degrees. After that, by Monday, we begin to warm back up into the 80s, peaking about 87 by Tuesday, before another front will move in Wednesday morning with a 30% chance of rain and about a 10-degree drop. So a lot of back and forth over the next couple of weeks. Determine, should I wear jeans in the morning? Should I wear shorts in the morning so it's warm? But it's up to you guys. But of course, I recommend just keeping the jacket in the car just in case.
Keep it close at all times because you never know. It's going to change a lot here, it looks like.
Layers for sure. All right, check this out.